Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I have been a part of Shalom Youth Prayer Group for around 2 years. I joined Shalom after attending two of Brother Sabi's retreats, which was at Poseidon, Vasai. I have attended retreats in the past as well and attended the prayer meetings at my parish. The thing that I really loved about this was the praise and worship. I enjoy doing action songs and the music ministry always amused me. I used to think that they are blessed, they're talented, and I wish I had that talent to be on the other side. But then I felt that no, I'm doing good this side, also being a part of the congregation. Um, but after the retreat, Brother Savio asked me to join Shalom and play and sing for the prayer meetings which I held every Wednesday. I just said no. I couldn't believe what he spoke. Though I was happy, it was something unexpected, a dream come true. But then I said, I can't. I am not capable. I don't know anything. I've never done this before. And he said, just give it a try. I play and sing in the church for the church choir, 6 o'clock morning mass, and I thought that that's enough for me to serve the Lord and sing for the Lord. And I was happy with that. I didn't expect the Lord to give me another platform also to sing and play for Him and praise Him. I was very hesitant, very scared, but I thought that maybe this was from the Lord and I couldn't say or no also. So I gave it a try, and then after there's been no turning back. Ev- since then, every prayer meeting has been a different experience. I've grown so much. I have seen to that I have attended every retreat of Brother Savio's, and each and every retreat there's another different experience. I have grown spiritually, my faith has just increased, and I am getting to know so much about the Lord, which I really want to do. I have felt His presence in my life, I have felt healing in my life. There have been there have been days where everything seemed impossible, seemed difficult, but He always has stood there and guided me and let me out of it. Uh, for me, I've always been taught that no matter what, pray. Even even if it's the smallest thing, I've been taught like pray and give it to the Lord. Even for my job, when I was searching 6 years back, and I just prayed that Lord, I want to continue coming from us. And with work, it might be a little difficult, so you work it out. You just work it out, and he gave me a job right next to the church so I can go for morning mass and then I can go to work. He's never let me down, and me being an unworthy servant of His, He's remained faithful to me and never let go of me. And over these years, I realized that I need Him more than anyone in this world, and I want to go more closer and closer to Him. I would really like to thank Brother Savio because of him for giving me this platform, Shalom, for getting me closer to the Lord, for helping me know Him even more close and experiencing Him. Joynil and Ulrika, who have inspired me at every point of life, and even Ralph, because of whom I attended the retreat, because he asked me to attend the retreat conducted by Brother Savio, and it all began from there, this beautiful journey with the Lord, and I want to continue knowing the Lord and growing more closer with the Lord, and I want my faith to be increased day and day. Thank you.